Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to start this video off with a PR box from one of my favorite brands, Wander Beauty. I have been looking forward to this box and I'm so excited that it's here. It says Happy Holidays and there are such cute goodies in here. Wander Beauty is just such an amazing company, so generous, and I am obsessed with their products. I have tried out so many of them on my channel, and I'm so excited to try out more. Right here, oh my gosh, I mean, we gotta start with this product, right? This is not what today's video is a review of, but I have been actually really wanting to try out the Fit Vine wine, and I'm so excited that I got this. It's their Cabernet Sauvignon. So cute. Oh my gosh. One of my top favorite Wander Beauty products is their baggage claim eye masks. I talk about them all the time. I use them all the time. So I am pumped about this. The limited edition Priority Pass Pink. And this is 12 pairs and so I have this product information here and this will be part of the Golden Hour Skincare Kit, which will cost $34. That's an incredible value, and it comes with these under eye masks, which I'm so excited to try. But seriously, the baggage claim under eye masks are amazing. Just one use and you'll see a difference in how smooth and hydrated your under eyes are. I try and use them maybe weekly if I'm really on top of my skincare, and I'll do like my under eye masks and then maybe like a clay mask on the rest of my face, and it's a great self-care moment. But so yes, the Golden Hour Skincare Kit will come with these. It also will come with this adorable satin headband, and it will come with a deluxe mini Sightseer vitamin C concentrate, which I have actually talked about that on my channel as well in an empties video, and I love that product. It's incredible. I feel like it made my skin so much brighter, even toned, and it just has so many benefits in that one product. I highly recommend it. And this headband is so adorable. Oh, I should put it on right now, but I already have my hair back. But I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. This is so my style. So those three products for $34. And as part of their holiday collection, they're partnering with the Opportunity Network. So it's also got a charitable aspect, which is just amazing. Oh, so many amazing things about Wander Beauty. Another one of their holiday products. Oh, this is so up my alley and so incredible. The Tasting Flight Mascara Kit. It retails for $26 and it comes with a full-size Mile High Club mascara, a mini of the new upgraded Lashes mascara, which I got right here, and I am so excited to try out because I love Wander Beauty mascaras. And this also comes with a deluxe mini unlashed mascara, which that is the mascara that I most recently used up, and also probably one of my top favorite mascaras I have ever used. So I know that I love Wander Beauty mascaras, so I can't wait to try out the upgraded Lashes mascara here. So I highly recommend that mascara gift set for you or someone in your life that loves mascara, because I'm sure they're all amazing. 2 out of the 3, well, that I've tried, I know that I love, so I'm gonna have to try this out very soon so we know if that gift set is worth it, which, spoiler alert, I'm sure it is. $26. Oh, I got myself confused. Okay, that Golden Hour Skincare Kit, of course, it comes with the gold eye masks, and you can actually get the limited edition baggage claim eye masks in the Priority Pass Pink, $34 here for, it's a set of 12. And then the last products I have to show you from this PR kit, which I'm gonna have to try out today because I'm so excited and I cannot wait, are these Double Date Eyeshadow Duos. So I got the First Kiss and ILYSM. I love you so much. The Smitten and Swoon and the Wink and Bay. Such cute names. And these retail for $26 each. Vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, soy-free, nut-free, formulated without parabens, phthalates, sulfates, mineral oil, or synthetic fragrance. And I am so excited about this. And so I was just trying to brainstorm in my head. Should I swatch all of them and do an eyeshadow look that uses multiple? But I think what I really want to do, what I think is going to make the most sense, is for me to just try out one of them in the video, because the whole point is that it's a duo and to do a whole look with just 2 colors. So I want to really stick to the purpose of these products, and I'm so grateful that they sent me all 3 of them. So I am going to have to just do future videos soon on the other shades. So I literally just pulled this out at random. So I'm going to do the shades First Kiss and ILYSM in today's video. So let's see what these look like. Wow, this is also a 2021 Allure Best of Beauty Award winner. 5-in-1 multitasking eyeshadow duo. Cream shadow blends effortlessly onto lids, delivering a buildable coverage and a priming effect. I love that there is primer built in. Shimmering eyeshadow topper adds just the right amount of pop and dimension. Each formula can be used separately or layered for multiple looks. Stacked, compact, and built-in mirror is perfect for fuss-free touch-ups on the go. Love that. And vitamin E fights free radicals and antioxidant properties. Okay, so they make it so simple, but first I am going to swatch them. So here is the beautiful shimmering shade, and oh my gosh, this is so like a foiled feel, great pigment and shine. I love that bronzy tone. And then on the base here, in the little mirror, so cute, is the cream color. This is so unique and so cool, and great pigment to that cream color, and of course they're such complementary shades. And so here are the swatches for First Kiss and ILYSM. So I'm just going to use my finger because that seems the easiest. And oh my goodness, this is so pigmented. I probably did not even need to pick up that much, and I did not even pick up a lot to begin with, but it is giving full opaque, beautiful warm tone brown color and just blending all over the lid. And then here, as I get to the crease transition area, wow, it really does actually diffuse out so easily. I was not sure how this was going to fade out. But oh my gosh, that looks like I took a powdered eyeshadow and did really good blending, if I do say so myself. But you saw, I just so quickly achieved that with my finger. I was actually feeling a little intimidated by this shade and the cream formula, thinking that it was going to be really difficult to get that faded, blended look. But that was so simple and easy. And I like this shade. It's definitely very warm toned, and it's pretty. I just sometimes shy away from the really warm tone orangey colors all over my eye. I just don't think they're the most flattering on me, but I don't know, it might be growing on me. At least the formula I know is incredible, and I'm so excited to try out the other 2 shades very soon. I mean, I didn't even rub my finger around just now. I just tapped my finger down and I already have so much pigment and product. And I kind of wanted to go in with a lighter touch on this eye, but this is amazing. It's not a huge product, not a huge quantity of product either, but I think this is actually going to be able to last me a good amount of time because a little goes a long way. And it blends out so nicely. I'm also a little nervous that there's going to be creasing on my lid since I have so many lines in my eyelid and it's such a creamy formula. So we're gonna keep an eye on that, but I am shocked so far at how smooth the texture is with no creasing yet. So this eye, I actually did apply a little bit less. You can kind of see the difference. And I think, I don't know actually, I do kind of like it a little bit darker, but I also like it just a little bit more diffused since, like I said, I'm not big into wearing orangey shades all over my eye. But that is fun, that is pretty. And next, I mean, I'm just gonna use my finger again because that's how I like to apply the shimmery eyeshadows. And what I love about Wander Beauty is that they are designed to be easy to apply with your fingers on the go, which is probably why I'm always reaching for my Wander Beauty products. But so now I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this onto the lid, and maybe this will tone down that orange a little bit. But oh my gosh, look at that. Sorry, Dexter, of course, starts barking in the background. Right as it's getting exciting, right? Right as the sparkles start going on my eye. But oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. It looks so good. And it's almost like you could do just the cream brown, more of a matte shade during the day, and then just pop on that shimmer to glam it up a bit. But in my opinion, even with that shimmer on, I think it's still wearable for any time. And I like the look of the shimmer all over, but maybe you could also just focus it towards the inner corner or even in the center like a halo eye for just a little 2-color eyeshadow duo. There's actually quite a few looks you could create with this. I might actually like it even better with it just in the inner half of the eye. I kind of like the dimension that creates a little bit more. Oh, so pretty. I mean, both eyeshadow looks, I don't think you could go wrong with. And that is so easy to apply. Amazing pigment. I'm checking now for creasing, and I'm shocked to see no creasing. Like, such a beautiful formula. I love a quick, easy, simple makeup look, and you can totally get that with this eyeshadow duo. So if you've tried this out in this shade, any of the other shades, let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. Let me know what kind of quick, on-the-go, easy eyeshadow looks you've been doing with these. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.